Okay, dear students, we have finished up to 10th problem in the last class. Okay, 2.2 exercise inverse trigonometric function, class 2 NCRT. Now, from 11th question onwards, we will start getting solutions. Okay, okay. If you see here what they have written, find the values of each of the following. See, value may become or angle may become. Okay, both are values for examiner. If answer is value for examiner, like that we have to think. Why? Because see, besides sine, angle will be there. Besides inverse function, besides trigonometric function, angle will be there. Besides inverse trigonometric function, value will be there. Like that we have to take. Okay. Now you see 11th question what they have written. Tan inverse of 2 cos of 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. You study like half. Okay. Tan inverse of 2 cos of 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Okay. Now let us get the value or angle of this expression. See, this is expression. They have not given any equal to equation. This is not equation. Okay. Expression. Let us get the value or output, or let us simplify. Like that also we can say simplify. Okay. Tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse of 1 by 2 means plus is there. Why? Because see, sine inverse, we know inverse function from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 only angle we have to take. That's all. Plus pi by 2 means what angle will come? First quadrant will come. 0 to pi by 2. Okay. See, these are all in brain only. You have to make even this principal value circle diagram also in brain. Why? Because several times we have drawn the circle diagram. 0 to pi by 2, but 1 by 2 will come at 30 degree, sine 30 degree. That means plus pi by 6. That's all. Pi by 6. Okay. In brain only how to do all these things. Okay. Here put equal to. Then tan inverse. Okay. Now you see 2 pi by 6 means pi by 3. Cos pi by 3. You write cos pi by 3. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay. Then tan inverse cos pi by 3 means value at, see, first of all, cos pi by 3 is within the limits of 0 to pi. Why? Because cos is having, see, cos sin inverse may be minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, but cos may not be from 0 to pi. You can take anywhere, but even then, this value is small value only. 0 to pi only it is lying normally, but for this is ordinary function. Like that you have to think. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60. Cos 60 also 1 by 2 only. You put 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. Okay. Ultimately, what will come? Tan inverse 1. Okay. Tan inverse 1. What will be the tan inverse 1? Pi by 4. Well, because see, tan cot both at pi by 4 only, they are becoming 1. Okay. Now pi by 4. Okay. Now what you got? You got angle. He asked values, but see, for examiner, answer is value. That's all. But for our understanding sake, why? Because we have to understand the concept in certain way. Sine function or trigonometric function means angles. Inverse function means values. Like that we have to think. Let us go for 12th question. Okay, you see the 12th question. Cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. Okay. Cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. Okay. We know one property or formula. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Like that formula we know. See, these formula are for pi by 2. If not, inverse means, see, 1 by sin means cosecant will come. Sin 1 by x is equal to cosecant x. Sin cos 1 by x is equal to secant x. tan, cot, secant, cosecant. The secant, cos. Okay, that is for 1 by x to 1 x. But here same x will come, but pi by 2 will come answer. Okay, now how can we convert this? Immediately you can convert. Cot, this is equivalent to pi by 2. 0, that's all. Okay, why? Because see, you did not write anything. Cot of pi by 2. Tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is pi by 2 value. Cot pi by 2 is 0 only, that's all. Okay, let us go for 13th question. Okay, see the 13th question. Tan 1 by 2, this is not tan inverse. Tan 1 by 2 of sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square. See, by seeing this, what formula you are, what we can say, remembering or reminding? 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. If here 1 minus x square comes, means tan inverse will come. 2x by 1 minus x square is 2 tan inverse x. Same sin inverse. 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Same 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. See, x means x you have to write, y means y you have to write. Now it is going to become 2 tan inverse y. This is 2 tan inverse x only. Okay, like that you have to convert. These formulae you have to by heart, or else you are not able to do these questions and all. Okay, every time you cannot derive the formula. Okay, tan 1 by 2. Okay, sin inverse 2x plus 1 by square is 2 tan inverse y, 2 tan inverse x plus cos inverse 1 minus 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse only, but because y. Okay, now you see both 2 is common and we can cancel. Okay, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Understand how it has come? See, put the equal to symbols. Why? Because this is okay. 2 common I have taken and cancelled out. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. See, here immediately you cannot cancel, but first you get the result of these two. One unit, one single element like, okay. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Why? Because plus is there, numerator plus, denominator minus will come. Okay, now you can cancel out. Why? Because see, x plus y by 1 minus xy, let it be like this only, but tan inverse you can cancel out. That is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy. This will be your final answer for question number 13. Okay, this also how you got this formula. Okay, see the 14th question. If sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1, then find x. Here you have to find the x. Remaining values equal to equation. This is equation and value also he has given. Then you find the value of x. Here x value will come or angle. Why? Because this is inverse function. Value will come, not angle. Okay, that you keep in your mind. That means finally value will come. Okay, don't confuse here. Sign is there. That is why finally answer will come. That angle like. Okay. Now what I can do anyway? This is under parenthesis. Shall I send sign that side? Definitely I can send. Send that one. I am sending. You see, sin inverse. Don't put equal to. Why? Because equal to already is there. That is why. Sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse 1. Is it correct? Why? Because this sin function goes outside of equal to, it is going to become inverse function. From inverse function goes outside of this Another side, LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. Inverse function goes means this is going to become function. Function goes means inverse function. Okay. Now this is a function. If it goes that side, inverse function it is going to become sine inverse 1. Okay. Now sine inverse 1 value we know. What is that value? 90 degree, pi by 2. Right again. Sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay. Now we know one formula. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2. Okay, that means both x should come. Here also x should come. Then what will be the value of x? X is equal to 1 by 5. Because sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay. See, this is for all. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x also pi by 2. Secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x also pi by 2. Okay. Okay, see the 15th question. If tan inverse x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4, then find x. See here, entire this x minus 1 by x minus 2 you take as x. Entire this x plus 1 by x plus 2 you take as y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula you take and get the result. Why? Because you have to find x and pi by 4 is there. That means finally tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy will come. This tan inverse you send outside. Then tan pi by 4 1 will come. Okay, like that you have to do. That's all. Okay, you see tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, x plus y by 1 minus xy we have written equal to pi by 4, like that only we have kept. Now tan inverse of tan pi by 4, like you can convert it. Okay, I am converting. You see how. Now what I have taken, see LHS RHS anything you can make equal to. Then I am writing, see tan pi by 4. Okay, tan pi by 4. I have sent tan this side. Tan pi by 4 equal to. That means even though I have sent equal to is there, any side I can write. Now you convert this. You see there is no common for taking LCM. Cross multiply. Or you see a plus b into a minus b. Here also a plus minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. X square minus 4. See, both numerator and denominator will be same. Then you can get cancel out each other. Okay, you write a square minus b square. Okay. X square minus 2 square. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Okay, I have written like that. Afterwards, you are going to cancel out both. Here also you see a square minus b square will come. Okay, that means 2 square means 4. I have written to understand for your sake. Okay, now you see x minus 2 is there. X plus 2 into x minus 1. Plus x plus 2 is there. Then x minus 2 into x plus 1. Okay. Okay, here also you see, here this x square minus 2 square into 1 minus x square minus 1 square. Like that you have to write. This entire thing going to become cross multiplication only. You see after cross multiplication, so down 1 into x square minus 2 square only will come. Okay. Now x square minus 2 square, this will come minus x square minus 4 minus, okay, and x square minus 1 square. a square minus b square. Okay. Okay. Now have put comma. You see, this is different. This is different. They have made equal to tan pi by 4. That means 1. 1 is equal to, or now 1 this side also you can write. First you cancel out these two. Okay. Now you see numerator x square. Okay. Minus x. Okay. Plus 2x. Okay. Minus 2 under parenthesis plus x square. Okay. Plus x minus 2x minus 2. Okay. Divided by, here you see x square minus 4 minus x square plus x square going to get cancelled. Then minus of minus 1 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1. Okay. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 1. 1 I have written, tan pi by 4 is value 1. I have equal to mean that side, this side, both side you can write. 1 is equal to this thing or this thing is equal to 1. Both you can write. Okay. Now you see, first of all, inside anything is the s. 2x minus x, x. First you do that one. I am writing here, you see. X square plus x minus 2. X square plus x minus 2. X square plus x. Why? Because 2x minus x plus x minus 2. Then I have opened this one. Anyway, equal to, okay. Let us open. First you do this one. Minus 2x plus x minus x. X square plus x square minus x minus 2. Why? Because plus is there, all you can open. Divided by minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. This is equal to 1 also you have to write. 1 equal to. Why? Because we don't have space, that is why this side I have written. Anyway, both are equal. Okay, now you see here, plus x minus x is going to get cancelled. Okay, plus x minus x. But minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, x square, 2x square. No, not equal to. You write like this. 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to 1. Is it correct? Why? Because x square plus x square, 2x square plus x minus x cancelled, minus 2 minus 4. Okay. 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to 1. This will be the value. Okay. Now you see minus 3 you can set that side. Cross multiplication. 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3. And minus 4 if you send that side, 2x square is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. Is it okay? Okay. Now, x square is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 by 2. Or 1 by root 2. See, for 1 square root also 1 only. 1 by root 2 or 1 by root 2 or square root of 1 by 2, both are same. Plus or minus you have to give. Why? Because x square is there. This will be your final answer for 15th question. Okay. Let us go for 16th. Okay, you see the 16th question. Find the values of each expression. Okay. That means this is expression, not equation. So equal to something is not there. Sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. Okay, we know that sine inverse to sine going to get cancelled out each other. Okay. Shall I write directly 2 pi by 3? Sine inverse to sine going to get cancelled out each other, 2 pi by 3. Is it okay? Okay. Then you think for sine inverse, is this angle applicable, valid, principal values? Principal value is for sine minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That means 90 degree. But here pi by 3 means 60 into 2, 120 degree. More than 90 degree. Is it allowed? Not allowed. Then what you have to write? Okay. You write like this. You see, for sine again you draw circle diagram. See, this and all in brain itself you have to do. Okay. Not in paper. In brain itself you have to do. Now you have accustomed. Okay, now see, this is 120 degree, 2 pi by 3. Okay, 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means 120. 60 into 2, 120. 120 means this is 90 plus 30. If this side, if you take, this is 2 pi by 3. But see here, when it entered this quadrant, naturally from here you are going to take pi minus. But pi minus, if you want to take, how much it will be? It will be 60 degrees. Okay. Pi minus, if you take also, is it allowed for sine? Not allowed. Then what you are going to do? See, then you have to think for sine whether it is positive or not. See, here it is positive, here it is negative for sine. For sine, this is also positive. That means, see, 120 degree means this, the sine value is positive. Then within minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, positive value you have to take. Within minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, positive value means, see, from 0 to pi by 2 only you have to take. 0 to pi by 2, 60 degree you have to take. You understand now how this logic? This and all brain only can do. Why? Because see, 0 degree, 90 degree are fixed. 180, 90 are fixed. 90 degree perpendicular. In between only 3 are there. 45 degree if it comes means that side 45, this side 45. 30 comes means another side 60. 60 comes means another side 30. That's all. In brain only you can do all these things. 30 is there, 120 means 90 plus 30, 60 will be there. This 60 transfer this side, 60 degree is the answer. Why? Because plus 60. Why? Because here sine is going to become plus. Then what will be the answer? Then what will be the answer? The answer will be pi by 3. 60 degree. Pi by 3. Okay. Because principal value. Principal value. Principal value, as per principal value, you cannot take more than 90 degree for sine. Okay. This is for your understanding sake I have told. See, simply you take angle 120. Sine 120 value will be how much? Like you calculate in brain. See this, you can calculate in paper also. Even this also in paper you can do. That is not a wrong. But finally principal value angle should come. Okay, let us take only sine 120 only. Sine 120. You see how I am taking. See, sine 2 pi by 3 means 120 degree. Sine 120 degree. Sine 120, how you are going to write? You may write sine 180 minus 60 or sine 90 plus 30. Both are equal, na? Okay, now any one you take. Sine 90 plus 30 means, see here, sine 90 plus 30 means second quadrant it is going. Second quadrant means it belongs to sine and cosecant. Sine is going in second quadrant means positive only. You put positive. Because of this 90 degree vertical angle, sine is going to become cos. Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 by 2. Sorry. Root 3 by 2. Okay. Okay. Now this I have taken. Here also you see. Sine 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60, that is second quadrant. Second quadrant means sine is going as positive. First you put positive. But because 180 is there, horizontal angle means sine will become sine only. Then sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree also root 3 by 2. See, both are equal. Both are equal. See, this value has come or not, you see. 60 degree only angles come, you see, pi by 3. Okay, for sine. But here you don't write value. You have to write angle only. Okay. Like this you have to understand the concepts. Nothing else. Once you accustom with this circle diagram, any angle you can write without mistake. That's what I want to say. Why? Because you may take 0 plus or 0 minus. That means positive angle or negative angle. If here it is becoming positive means for cos you have to take here or here. Here cos. Why? Because here positive. Here also positive. But this will not come for cos. 0 to pi only you have to take for cos. Inverse. Okay. Like that you have to think. Let us go for 17th. Also, Tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4 means 3 pi by 4 means how much? 135 degree will come. 3 into 45 degrees. 3 into 45 means 135. Tan 135, tan inverse 135 is applicable for principal value, not applicable. Then what you have to do? First you have to see tan 135 whether is a positive value or negative value. If positive value means positive 0 to pi by 2, you have to write. If it is a negative value, minus pi by 2 to 0, between that you have to write. Okay, let us see how we are going to write. See, this is for tan. See, this and all you have to make in brain only, I am telling always. Why? Because see, now you are accustomed with this diagrams and all. Okay? Okay. But 135 is there, I am putting again up to pi. Okay, this is up to pi. See, this red color one will not come. Minus pi by 2 only will come for inverse function. But for understanding sake, I have made. Okay, now we come back again. Tan 3 pi by 4 means 135 degree. 135 means 90 plus 45. If here 45 degree there, here what will be? Here also 45 degree. See, from horizontal axis only you have to take angle. From horizontal axis 135, from here also horizontal axis 45 degree. 45 degree is there. 45 degree is there, but here tan is positive, tan we are tracking. Tan is positive, here tan is negative, but here tan is negative. That means you are getting a negative 45 degree value. Negative 45 degree you transfer in negative side. Minus pi by 4. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Minus pi by 4 only you have to write. You cannot write this plus 1. Pi minus pi by 4 you should not write. Why? Because tan is having minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 only. Okay? Okay, right? Tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4 is equal to 3 pi by 4. That is equal to minus pi by 4. In bracket or in parenthesis write principal value. Why? Because both are same for tan. Even if you write tan 3 pi by 4, same value will come. Tan minus pi by 4 also same value will come. Same value has to come, but angle should be between principal value. Okay? Now, let us go for 18th question. Okay, you see the 18th question, what they have written? Tan of sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2 they have given. We have to find the value here. See, here x, y not there. Our angles are not there. Directly you can find the value like. Let us try to find value. But if you think carefully, tan of tan inverse means okay, you can find it. Tan of cot inverse also you can make it as cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. Like that you can make and do after cancelling both. But another one is sin is there. Then how you are going to convert it? Normal conversion only. See, sin inverse 3 by 5 means sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to theta or pi or pi by 2 is theta only, no angle. Theta like you take, then you convert into tan theta. Then you make it as tan inverse. Tan inverse directly will come and cot inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 1 by x. That means tan inverse 2 by 3 will come. That's all. Both tan inverse, x plus y value you get, then tan of tan inverse is going to get cancelled. That value is going to give your answer. Like that you have to do. Okay. How to convert this sign? Okay, I am writing here, you see how. Okay, see, sin theta means, see, this is theta. Sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is this one, 3 by 5. Okay, see, 3, 5 comes means automatically remaining is 4. Why? Because see, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 9 plus 16, 25 root 5. Some values you have to remember. Or else you can do 25 minus 9 is equal to 16 square root of. Plus or minus will come. Why? Because see here quadrant has not given. See here two things we have to consider. Cot is also positive. Sin is also positive. It may be in first quadrant. Why? Because both positive. Or else cot is not there even though sin is there, but they have not given such quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant like. Then you consider it as positive only. Like that you have to think. These two conditions you have to apply. Okay. Now see here, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. But what about tan theta? 3 by 4. Theta is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. Same thing you write here. Okay? Okay. Tan of equal to tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse, see 2 by 2, 3 by 2 means 2 by 3. You understand, na? Tan of tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. 3 by 2 means 2 by 3. Like that you can write. Okay, that is equal to, okay, tan inverse x plus tan inverse pi. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan of tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay? This you write. Okay, now tan inverse you cancel out each other. Then you do this one. 3 into 3, 9 plus 4 into 2, 8 divided by 12 divided by, see, don't cancel out. Why? Because see, 12 if you make, then you can cancel afterwards. 12 into 1, 12 minus 1 into 6, 6 by 12. Now you cancel out each other. 12. 9 plus 8, 17. 12 minus 6, 6. 17 by 6 will be your final answer. See, now value only has come. You see, not angle. Okay? Like that you have to find the question. Okay. Let us go for 19th question. Okay. You see the 19th question, it is an objective type question. 19, 20, 21. 3 questions are objective type questions only. Cos inverse of cos 7 pi by x. What will be the value? Here also you see, first you cancel out cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6 will come. But 7 pi by 6, what will be the value? See, 7 pi by 6 directly it is there, means your brain is not going to calculate. In degrees you have to think. Degrees means pi by 6 is 30. 30 into 7, 210 degree. Cos 0 to pi, 0 to 180 degree only allowed. 210 degree not allowed. 210 means it is going in third quadrant. Third quadrant cos is negative. Negative means cos negative value you have to make. Negative value means you can make that in negative quadrant, second quadrant. Like that you have to think. Okay. Now you see here how I am doing. Cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6 is equal to 7 pi by 6. Why? Because cos inverse are going to get cancelled. That is equal to 210 degree. That is equal to 180 degree plus 30 degree. 30 degree additional value is there as per this circle diagram. This is 0, this is pi. Okay. Now you see 210 means 180 plus 30. 30 degree additional is there. Okay. See, for cos, this is positive, all positive, this is negative, and here also negative for cos. That is very important. That means final value 210 degree is negative or positive you have to take. If it is negative, then put the same angle in negative value. If it is positive here, see, for tan it is positive. Same comes for tan means here tan positive, then you put in positive area, same angle. Now because of cos you put in negative area. Negative area means same 30 degree you have to keep. 30 degree if you keep here, see here 30 degree means direct 30 degree you can write. But here 30 degree from pi means what you have to write? Pi minus 30 degree. Pi minus 30 degree. That means pi minus pi by 6. That is equal to 5 pi by 6. 6 pi minus pi. 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 will be your answer. You understand now how it has come? Like this only you have to answer the question. 5 pi by 6 means for cos inverse principal value it is. 5 pi by 6 means what? 30 into 5. 150. It is within 180. 0 to 180 between 150 will come. That answer you have to give. You should not go beyond 0, less than 0 and more than pi you should not go. Principal value is there. Value is both same. 7 pi by 6 also for cos same value will come. For 5 pi by 6 also same value will come. But when inverse function comes means you have to take principal value only. Or else see for up to class 10, even for class 11 also. Why? Because 11 inverse trigonometric functions are not there. Cos 7 pi by 6 is okay, or cos 5 pi by 6 also same value. But this is not applicable for class 12. Inverse, when inverse comes means you have to take these values only. Let us go for 20th question. Okay, you see question number 20. Sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to, okay, first of all you convert to minus in sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. First you convert. Why? Because see, inverse function and minus, where it lying, see, inverse function means for sine minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 between here 0. Okay, see, for sine here is positive, this is negative, but here negative value is there. 1 by 2 where it comes? 30 degrees. That means minus 30 degree you have to take. Minus 30 minus pi by 6. That is very important. Minus pi by 6. Now you write. Answer automatically will come. You see how I am writing. Sine of pi by 3 minus pi by 6. Is it okay? Okay. Sine of pi by 3 plus pi by 6. 6 pi plus 3 pi, 9 pi, 6 into 3, 18. That means pi by 2. That is equal to 1. Sine pi by 2. See, sine pi by 2. You write sine pi by 2. That is equal to 1. This will be your answer. You understand now how it has come? Why? Because see, here minus 1 by 2 means minus pi by 6 you have to take. Whatever may be, sine inverse means minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 only angle will come. If minus is there, this 0 to minus pi by 2. Positive is there, 0 to pi by 2 angle you have to take, that's all. Pi by 3 you have to make. Okay. Let us go for 21st question. See the 21st question. Tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. Cot inverse minus root 3. Okay. You see, you can take cot principal value, tan principal value you can. Okay. You see, tan root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. Okay. Let us draw circle diagram for both different. Okay. Tan inverse root 3 first we will write circle diagram. You see, this is for tan. Okay. 0 plus pi by 2 minus pi by 2. See, here positive is there. That means plus side. Plus side you have to take this value. But root 3 comes where? Root 3 is tan 60 is equal to root 3. Okay. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. 60 means pi by 3. You write here pi by 3. Then this will be pi by 3. Pi by 3 minus. Then cot circle diagram is different. 0 to pi. Okay, this is pi by 2. Positive, negative, here also was positive, negative. Positive was there, that is why we have taken positive side. Okay, now you come cot, but cot is negative root 3. First of all, cot to root 3 becomes where? 30 degree. Now minus 30 you have to take. Why? Because minus is there. Minus 30. Minus 30 means minus side 30 degree you have to take. This will be 30 degree. Minus side. Okay. You see now, cot within 0 to pi. Okay. Pi minus 30. That means pi 30 means how much? Pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. You have to take 6 pi minus pi. 5 pi by 6. Okay. See, this 5 pi by 6 is what? Positive only. But here negative is there. Again you write 5 pi by 6. That is equal to 6 pi, or else you take 6 as LCM. 3 to 2 pi minus 6 is there. That means 5 pi. 2 pi minus 5 pi minus 3 pi by 6. 3 2 times it go. Minus pi by 2. You see, B will be your answer here. Okay. B will be your answer. Cot circle diagram is different. Tan circle diagram is different. Both you have to see, these calculations you can do in brain also. Okay. What we have done? We have finished this exercise 2.2. Next exercise will be miscellaneous exercise. I am going to give number for that exercise as 2.3. Okay. Let us do 2.3 exercise in the next class onwards. Okay. Thank you very much.